Welcome back to English Motivational Learning. Here, every word is not only motivation, it is also your chance to practice English. Tonight, we are going to talk about the hours that decide your future. Not your mornings, because they belong to your job. Not your afternoons, because they belong to the world. But your evenings, because they belong to you. Most people waste them. They scroll, they snack, they watch, and then wonder why life feels stuck. But you are different because you are here. And tonight, you will discover a new way to use your evenings. This is not just productivity advice. This is a blueprint to rebuild your focus, your peace, and even your English fluency. Because every system you hear today is explained in simple, powerful English. That means while you transform your life, you also train your language. Chapter 1. The Evening Reset System. Think about your phone. When it slows down, what do? You close the apps, you charge the battery, you clear the storage. Only then can it run smoothly again. Now, think about your mind after a long day. Stress, pressure, comparison, overthinking, but instead of resetting, you keep scrolling, keep worrying, keep escaping. That is why you feel heavy, even when you do nothing. The solution is simple but powerful. The Evening Reset System. It is a 5-step ritual that clears your mental clutter and prepares you for growth. Step 1. Close the loop. Sit for 2 minutes. Ask yourself, what is still running in my head? Write it down in English. Do not keep it inside. Your brain is not storage. It is a creative machine. Close the tabs. Step 2. Release the weight. Take 5 minutes and write, what drained me today? What did I wish I had said differently? Then write, that moment is gone. I forgive it, I release it. This is healing, not escaping. Step 3. Clean one space. Your desk, your chair, your bag. A clean space signals safety. It tells your brain, we can begin again. Step 4. Journal 3 micro wins. Write them in English. One thing you did right. One thing you survived. One moment you are proud of. Confidence grows not from applause, but from these quiet choices. Step 5. Say it out loud. The day is done. I did my best. I let go of what I cannot change. Now I begin again. This is your reset button. Why does the system work? Because most people never close the day. They jump from stress into distraction. But you reset. And when you reset, you make room for peace, purpose, and English practice. Chapter 2. The Digital Wellness Protocol. Let me ask you, who owns your evenings? You or your phone? Be honest. How many times did you plan to check your feed for 5 minutes and 2 hours disappeared? This is not weakness. It is design. Apps are built to steal your attention, and every night you pay with your future. But you can take your power back with the Digital Wellness Protocol. Step 1. Set a digital sunset. Choose a time, maybe 9 p.m. After that, no phone, no laptop, no TV. If someone truly needs you, they will call. Your brain does not need more noise at night. It needs silence. Step 2. Replace, don't just remove. If you stop scrolling but do nothing else, you will return to the screen. So replace the habit. Read a book in English. Write a short journal. Talk with family. Learn 5 new English phrases. Create instead of consume. Step 3. Control what you see. Unfollow accounts that drain you. Follow channels that teach, inspire, and motivate. Imagine if every time you opened your phone, you saw an English lesson, a motivational message, or a powerful idea. Your phone would become a tool, not a trap. Why does this system matter? Because 2 hours of scrolling each night equals 730 hours a year. That is enough time to learn fluent English, write a book, or start a business. So ask yourself, will you give those hours to random clips, or will you invest them in yourself? Chapter 3. The Psychological Reset System. Now let's go deeper. Have you ever been in bed, tired, but your mind runs like a storm? You close your eyes, but thoughts keep shouting. Why did I say that? What if I fail? Am I good enough? This is not just stress. This is unhealed pain. And it follows you into tomorrow. That is why you need the psychological reset system. Step 1. The thought dump. Sit in silence. Ask, what is bothering me right now? Write it down or record it. No filter, no editing. Let your brain exhale. Step 2. Reality check. Look at your list and ask, is this thought true or is it just a story? Most of your pain is not fact, it is imagination. And when you see that, your mind begins to calm. Step 3. Emotional flush. Feel it. Cry if you must. Punch a pillow. Breathe deeply. Emotions are like water. If you block them, they poison you. If you release them, they purify you. Step 4. Self-compassion. Say it slowly. I did my best. I am not my mistakes. I am learning. I am growing. I am healing. I deserve peace. Breathe deeply. Place your hand on your chest. Whisper, it's okay. Why does this system work? Because silence is not peace. Silence with release is peace. And when you practice this every night, your sleep becomes deeper, your mornings stronger, and your English practice more focused. Chapter 4. The micro-win system. Have you ever gone to bed feeling like a failure, even though you survived a hard day? You answered messages, you cooked, you studied English for 15 minutes, you showed up when you didn't want to. But still, your mind says, not enough. The problem is not you. The problem is that you don't see your micro-wins. The micro-win system trains your brain to recognize progress every single night. It has 4 steps. Step 1. Track 3 tiny wins. Write them in your journal. I didn't skip breakfast. I spoke English for 10 minutes. I cleaned my desk. Remember, if it took effort, it is a win. Step 2. Speak one win out loud. Look in the mirror and say, I am proud I kept going today. I am proud I practice English even when tired. Your subconscious will believe what it hears. Step 3. Reward the effort. Light a candle. Drink tea. Smile. Say honestly, I am better than yesterday. This connects effort with joy. Step 4. Set one win for tomorrow. I will read 5 English pages. I will drink more water. I will sleep on time. This gives direction for your morning. Why does this system work?
Because confidence is not built in applause. It is built in silence, one small victory at a time.
Chapter 5. The Relationship Recharge Strategy. Success is empty if your heart feels alone. We are not built only to work and scroll. We are built to connect. Every evening ask, do I feel connected to anyone today? If the answer is no too many times, your heart becomes heavy. Step 1. Give one real moment. Sit with your parents and ask, what was the best part of your day? Call a friend and say, I just wanted to hear your voice. Tell your partner, let's talk for 20 minutes, no phone. Presence is the fastest way to feel love. Step 2. Speak one vulnerable truth. I felt lost today, but I'm proud I got through it. I miss the way we used to laugh. I'm scared about my future, but I'm trying. This is not weakness. This is strength. Because when you open your heart, others open theirs. Step 3. Reflect on one relationship. Write one name in your journal. Say thank you. Gratitude makes bonds stronger. Why does this system matter? Because you can chase goals all day, but if you sleep unloved, you wake up unworthy. Reconnect, rebuild, recharge. Chapter 6. The Body Calm Protocol. Your mind is not the only one carrying stress. Your body does too. Tight shoulders, heavy chest, restless legs, and at night, your body finally screams, you ignored me all day. The Body Calm Protocol heals your body in minutes. Step 1. Stretch the day away. Roll your neck slowly. Stretch your back. Bend forward. Twist gently. Breathe deeply. Release the hidden tension. Step 2. Breathe like you are safe. Use the 4-7-8 method. Inhale 4 seconds. Hold 7. Exhale 8. Repeat. Tell your body, we are safe now. Step 3. Use sensory anchors. Soft light. Calm music. Lavender scent. Warm tea. Clean sheets. Signals that whisper, rest. Step 4. Speak kindly to your body. Thank you, body. You carried me today. You can relax now. Your body is not a machine. It is your oldest friend. When you care for it, it trusts you. And when it trusts you, it lets go. Chapter 7. The 2-hour productivity block. Now, we reach your secret weapon. The hours after 6 p.m. are your second life. From 9 to 5, you work for others. After 6, you build yourself. 2 hours a night, 10 hours a week, 40 hours a month, 480 hours a year. Enough to master English. Enough to write a book. Enough to build a business. Step 1. Pick your focus. I will study grammar. I will write 500 words. I will record 2 English shorts. Clarity creates energy. Step 2. Set a boundary. Tell your family 7 to 9 p.m. is my growth time. Turn off notifications. Light a candle. Protect your focus. Step 3. Use the 50-10 rule. Work 50 minutes. Rest 10 minutes. No multitasking. Just do the thing. Step 4. Reflect. Write
What did I accomplish? How do I feel? What did I learn about myself? This builds pride, not just productivity. Remember Clara. She worked 9 hours in a call center, but every night she studied English for 2 hours. She built a blog, a channel, a career. 2 years later, she quit her job and now teaches worldwide. She did not wait for the perfect time. She built in the evenings. So can you. Chapter 8. The Sleepdown Plan. All progress dies without rest. You don't need more goals. You need deep sleep. The Sleepdown Plan is your evening closing ceremony. Step 1. Choose a bedtime. Keep it consistent. 10:30 p.m. every night. Step 2. Prepare your space. Dim the lights. Make your bed. Remove devices. Create calm. Step 3. Journal closure. What did I learn today? What did I let go of? What am I grateful for? Then write, I release this day with peace. Step 4. Breathe into stillness. Inhale 5, hold 5, exhale 7. Say silently, I am safe, I am loved, I am enough. Step 5. Visualize tomorrow. See yourself waking strong, smiling, speaking fluent English, moving closer to your dream. Feel it before you sleep, because you don't sleep to escape life, you sleep to rise for it. Closing. So now you know. The evenings are everything. They are not the leftover hours of your day. They are the foundation of your future. Reset your mind. Control your phone. Heal your emotions. Celebrate your micro wins. Reconnect with your people. Calm your body. Build your dream. Sleep like a warrior. Tonight you choose. Waste your evening or rewrite your destiny. Not tomorrow, not one day, but tonight.